on, Pugsley. What you doing? This your first big snow? Come on, guys. Come here, Pugs.
They're a lot slower.
Get out from underneath there. I'm glad we got Lucky clipped. Let him go. Wipe it off his eye.
Well.
Lucky, come here. Come here. Here. Come here, Pugs. Come here, Lucky. Hurry. Come here. Hurry. Danny, get your butt out of the way.
Hey.
Stop worrying about his face. Get him, Lucky. Lucky's pretty covered, too. Lucky.
Oh, God. Hey, guys.
Come on, guys. Here.
Come on here. Oh, look.
He's trying to eat it.
Here, Lucky.
Man, just say by tomorrow there'll be no sign or any of this ever happened.
What's doing, Pugs? Why on?
Pugsley. Pugsley. He was sitting still.
It was having so much fun.
Ginger, it's hard to videotape with you standing in the way. There. You having fun? Pugsley, Lucky, you having fun? Lucky's probably freezing. He's definitely got to go inside.
He showed his face. Pugsley doesn't seem to mind.
Lucky, get out of there, dude. Yeah. Lucky, ready to go in?
Yeah, Oh,
Yep.
oh, ew.
Bye, Pugsley. Bye-bye, Pugs.